Thank you everyone who showed up for Soulful Saturdays. It was an amazing event. We had so many different people connecting and networking with each other. I really believe that we recreated a little Black Wall Street on Long Island today. I really appreciate everyone that came through. We had financial empowerment, health coaching, we had makeup on site, we either had demos that was going on, free food, amazing workouts. Just thank you. I can't really express the gratitude I have for everyone that showed out and really was into this health and wellness event. This is going to be the first, but not the last. So look out for us in 2020. Miss Wellness presents Soulful Saturdays. We'll continue.